I ain't fucking up a good day, thinking about yesterday. Life too damn short to be stuck in the past, and shit gets hard, we just push right past it. Ain't gotta be drastic, I'm simply asking everybody to say I ain't fucking up a good day, thinking about yesterday. Coffee kinda tastes like shut the fuck up. Bones hurt, head pounding, too many cold ones. Last night we sang it loud, acting like damn fools, but that don't mean you really know what I've been through. Too many scars, prison bars and pain. Give a fuck about last year,